one of the best competitors in the women's division.
The following is a championship first round match. Making her way to the ring from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha. Ooh.
Gentlemen, I think this one's going to turn into a fight in a hurry, and I cannot wait.
A woman meant for the highlight reel. She plans on even more excitement tonight.
And from Jersey City, New Jersey, Velvet!
A matchup like this, it's one that the locker room has wanted to see. It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see, and it's about to go down.
She is ready for this big match, and she knows everyone backstage will be watching her make an impact.
And we are set. First round matchup underway. The winner of this match moves on to the next stage of this tournament.
Saw it coming.
Samoan drop.
Looking for a scoop slam, but from behind, inverted DDT connects. Beautiful takedown into the Achilles.
Crawling, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
Powerless position to be in right now.
Oh, man, right to the esophagus. Delivering nasty stomps.
Putting the boots to an opponent will take the fight out of them in a hurry.
She avoids the contact. Uh-oh.
Denied and reversed into a DDT. Arm wringer applied.
Down for a European arm breaker. Punishing stretch.
That can prohibit any use of their shoulder going forward.
Rolling neck snap. Brutal.
Oh, right to the leg.
Tearing down the leg now. She's starting to look concerned.
A heel hook locked in. You can almost hear the opponents yelling in agony.
And now she's got all her gears running.
Showing a lot of fury with her attacks.
Hooked in. Boom! Package driver. There's two. Kick out close to three.
She is still fighting, still keeping this going. Clearly waiting for that.
Hellacious power slam.
And shoulders are down. Strong kick out there.
Not time to expect victory yet.
Float.
Uh-oh.
Reversal. Can they go on the attack?
Dropping the leg. Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy. Just dropped her like she was nothing.
2 fists full of hair. This can't be legal.
Oh, up and down. What a slam. Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
And now she's getting back into the ring.
Got the arm. Disarmer. It's got to be over.
Oh, man, there's nowhere for her to go. And for some reason, she lets go of the hold.
Could have just been a tease of the potential agony that's yet to come.
Oh, that backfired on her.
Down to opponent. And a double axe handle smash.
Momentum's breaking away from her.
Yeah, her defensive instincts are all that's keeping her alive. Measured knee drop.
Oh, by the hair, whipped across the ring.
That ain't right. Uh-oh. She saw it coming.
Achilles lock, and the rope saver there. Oh, foot just stomping down. Escapes in a nick of time.
She's got to be careful here. The referee will count her out.
Using the elbow as a weapon. And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Perched up top.
Diving leg drop.
Going for it.
Crossface. Oh, the crossface is in good. I don't know how she's going to get out of this. Trying to break the grip and does. That was a great move. Power slam. Looking for a high-risk, high-reward situation.
To the sky.
Diving from the top. I think that'll do it.
2. She kicks out. I don't believe it.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3.
Millimeters. A big opportunity falling through their fingers. You've got to continue fighting and hope your next big move is the last one. Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. Turning the tables there. Just pinning the arm down
And a carefully measured knee drop.
and she keeps handing out even more damage.
Yeah, she's giving everything she has left.
Measured knee drop.
Ah, stops to the legs. Oh, God.
And another attack to a weakened leg.
And now she delivers her back into the ring. And we are down to the proverbial wire here, guys.
The match hanging in the balance. Time to get back in the ring.
She manages to get control.
Taking out the knee.
Got it scouted. Ah, look at this. Now that'll do some serious damage.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Rolling neck snap. Brutal.
Ooh, targeting the leg there.
Ooh.
Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch. Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron.
Nasty.
The hardest part of the ring.
She's been on the offensive for a little while now.
Yeah, she's riding roughshod over her.
Pot right in the stomach creates the separation. We expected a fine match, but these ladies have truly defied even the greatest of expectations.
Oh, God. to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
Tossed back into the ring.
That's a few times now she's taken a hit up in that region.
DDT!
Able to get out of the way. Strong takedown.
Will it be?
And that'll be it. Finally a victory. What a hard-fought win.
Here is your winner, Velvet!
Quite the win for her here.
No one was willing to give even a single inch of ground in this battle.
At times, it seemed like these competitors were totally deadlocked, but here you see the one who prevailed.